Hello everybody and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Thursday the 2nd of March 2023. Let's take a look at crypto markets, how they're moving today, what happened yesterday. One of the main markets that I want to bring, or the main market that I want to bring to your attention today is Bitcoin from a technical perspective. I did post this chart inside the crypto chat just recently, but basically what I'm looking at on here is that 24 and 23k handle of those 23, that 24 and 23k handle. Basically from here it's a case of short-term direction. Next short-term direction is going to be decided by the break of either the upside or the downside of 23 or 24. Short-term moves would then be seen into 25. If we do get through 24, you can see we rejected off 24 yesterday, the high of the day, but also found support all week so far at 23. We are heading back down into that 23 handle again. Yesterday was the first green bar in around, almost a week. Now we need to start looking for potential moves to the upside for bulls if we're going to take advantage of that. But with equity markets moving lower today, the S&P is set to open below its previous lows, and risk-off sentiment seemingly sweeping across global markets. Eurozone inflation has just came in hotter than expected as well. Just adding and weighing on that overall sentiment, which is at the minute high for longer rates. I wouldn't be too surprised if it's the downside level which gives way at 23, and then we're going to see moves into the 50-day moving average. Of course, that 50 is going to come into play. We've seen several tests of the 50, finding some support and bouncing, but let's see if that's the case if we do get that, because that's going to come through at 22,188. It's currently at below there. 21,850 and 21,125 would be my technical horizontal levels. Litecoin enjoyed a bit of a rally yesterday, but we've seen some of them gains just starting to be given back. As discussed, we've seen a little bit of risk-off sentiment and we've seen a bit of correlation, but you can see so far Ethereum had a bit of a mixed day yesterday. We did climb higher in the end, and I did suggest once we break out of the short-term descending trend line, we should start to see some gains in a rally into 1700. Didn't get 17, in fact we're still 23 points below there from the high of today. So I would have liked to have seen a move into that, but nevertheless it's just looking a little bit messy at the minute on Ethereum after that break. Yes, we got the break, but still looking a bit messy. And like I said, if that risk-off sentiment continues throughout the rest of the trading day, then don't be surprised to see yesterday's lows being tested, and then even the 1550 handle to the downside would be the one to watch. But overall, relatively muted, I would say, on Ethereum at the minute. There's not too much else for me to add in the session brief for today, so I'll leave it there for now. See you all inside the chat room, and thank everybody for listening. Take care and bye for now.